Every day, the internet asks us to prove that we are not robots. But what if the power of automation was actually in your hands? At Midwest Engineered Systems, we put automation where it belongs, in the hands of people working for them. Since 1991, MWES has helped manufacturers work smarter through automation. From our early days as a small team to what is now over 150 experts, we take on complex projects others won't. At MWES, we don't just automate, we engineer success. Sounds pretty good, right? But what exactly does that mean for you? We design and build fully customized automation and robotic integration systems, from robotic welding and palletizing to machine tending, vision inspection, web handling and converting, and complete line integration. Every system is engineered in-house, giving us tighter control and faster delivery in systems built precisely for your business. If you're upgrading a single station or launching a new production line, we deliver automation that will improve speed, safety, and quality. And every system we build comes with 24/7 maintenance and support, including training for your staff once your system is in place. Our process isn't just thorough, it's smart, reliable, and built to perform. We assess risks, run rigorous tests, and deliver results that keep projects on schedule and customers in the loop. Simply put, we build high-performance automation systems that don't just meet standards, they exceed them. Our people are our strongest asset. Curious, capable, hands-on. Every system reflects their skill, creativity, and work ethic. We ask the right questions, build what we'd want to use ourselves, and never cut corners. Across industries from food and beverage to aerospace, automotive, packaging, medical and pharmaceutical, and general manufacturing, MWES delivers automation built for real-world challenges. And when the system's in place, we stay in the picture, training your team and ensuring they have the tools to make automation truly work. Because automation only performs at its best when people do too. Midwest Engineered Systems. We put the power of automation in the hands of real people.